Judges 16 verse 28. Samson lost his hair, he lost his glory, he lost his power. But in the book of Judges chapter 16 verse 28, and Samson cried upon the name of the Lord. He asked God for help. He asked God for strength. Judges 16 verse 28. He said, oh Lord, I have of Israel. I pray and ask that you strengthen me again. I pray and ask that you show me mercy again. This was a great warrior. This was a Messiah for the children of Israelites. This was one who was going to deliver the children of Israel from the hands of the Philistines. But he was bounded by the Philistines. Who brought him down? The lion. But Samson called upon God. And while he called upon God, the Bible said, his hair began to grow. His strength began to come. And the Bible said, Samson killed more than he did when he ever lived.